In today's world, environmental sustainability is not just a goal, but a necessity. The shipping industry, essential for global trade, plays a significant role in carbon emissions. At PTR, we're committed to transforming the future of maritime operations with our innovative shore-to-ship power market analysis. Our shore-to-ship power solutions are customizable and flexible as we understand the unique needs of each port and ship. Key questions addressed in our service include: which countries present the largest opportunities for shore power OEMs? What kind of marine traffic is going to be a potential demand center for shore power? Who are the key stakeholders and what are their roles in the shore power value chain? What are the key market trends in the shore power market? It's time to join the clean energy revolution. Discover how PTR's shore-to-ship power service can benefit your port, your ships, and the environment. Embrace innovation, navigate growth, and energize your success. Contact us today or visit ptr.inc to learn more.